And in this video I'll show you how to reset your CoinMaster password. For that you need to go and check wherever, and for that you need to check where you connected your account. If it is Apple, you need to change your Apple password, and if it is Facebook, just go and open your Facebook app and then head straight to this three bar, that's our main menu, and then tap on setting and privacy, and then go on settings, and then you have to tap on account center. Now you'll see passport and security button. On first option, tap on change password and select your Facebook account, and now you have to enter your current password, new password, and type new password. And if you do not remember your current password, you need to tap on forgot password, and from that you can simply reset your password, and that will automatically reset this CoinMaster password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.